What is happening, guys? Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a very special new release from Rocky Mountain Barber, the Kids Styling Cream. Today I'm going to give you the rundown on this fun new product, and I'm going to enlist my son Finley to help us put it through the paces. First though, let's run a few specs. According to the brand, the new Kids Styling Cream from Rocky Mountain Barber is a lightweight pump-fed styling cream that offers a soft reworkable hold that's perfect for taming bedhead, adding a bit of texture, or just making your kid's hair look like you didn't totally give up any given morning. Other than that, the brand also says it's made with gentle, kid-safe ingredients, including aloe vera, argan oil, and jojoba oil. And once again, it's offered in a pump for easy styling for both parents and children. Looking inside the bottle here on this one, we have a very creamy product. It's very slick, very easy to break down. It's not sticky or tacky, just very slick and nice and soft in the hand, very easy to work with. Time now for our demo, and to help me out is my now 9-year-old son, Finley. And we did just get him a fresh haircut, so he's in prime condition to test this cream out. I'm gonna go ahead and just run some through his dry hair to show how easy it is to spread and get through. And we're going to work it all the way in, just typical stuff here. And then we're going to hit it with the comb. We're going to do his usual style here. He's got kind of a comb over built into his head. I swear the day he was born, his hair was styled just like this. So it's a very simple test. We're going to get him all fixed up here. And just like that, we've got ourselves a pretty good final style. All right, moving to the washout now. This one for us washed out with just water, which is really good considering it's like pulling teeth to get him to actually wash his hair. So it was really nice that it just came out with water. Time now for my final thoughts. I think, quite honestly, this stuff here is a win-win. It's a win for parents and it's a win for the subjects. That's what I'm calling children, by the way. See, it's easy for parents to use in the morning if you have a quick rush out the door or you're going to get them ready for school. It's very easy for you to use. And it's very easy for the children to use. It's a quick pump. It's a very slick product. Easy out of the bottle and easy into the hair. It's also got really good ingredients in it, so parents don't have to worry about putting chemicals and garbage on their kid's head. And I love the fact that it's so easy to use that Finley could even use it by himself, you know, if he cared what his hair looked like, that is. Overall, I have to say I think this is a solid release. It's quick, it's clean, it smells great, and makes for a great style. And once again, I keep saying it over and over, it's just easy to use. In a position like this with parents and kids, you want something that's easy to use, that looks good, that has a quick and easily achievable result, and I think you have all of that here. It's a no-fuss way to style your kid's hair. So if you're a parent like me and you've been looking for something like this, I would definitely say this is worth checking out. As usual, too, I will drop a link in the description if you want to check this out. I want to send a big thanks to Rocky Mountain Barber for sending this out for us to take a look at, and a big thanks to Finley for helping me test it out. That, though, is all I got for this one. Thanks so much for checking this out with us. Take it easy. We'll see you next time.